Here you can. Hi! We're here at Iloilo. Okay, here I am. Nasa Iloilo na ako. And I'm looking for my room. Where's my room? Ha! Ang dark. Okay. Ang dark ng room ko. Okay, here I am. Bakit? Okay, I'm here. This is my room. And welcome to Iloilo. Okay, let's put my things down first before this. This is my room, my bed, my side table. I don't know what is this one. It's a light. And then ano to? Cabinet. Pero open siya na cabinet. Tapos telephone na hindi nakasaksak. Then TV. Then aircon. And windows. And me. And let's see what's the CR. This is my CR. There's a vanity, mirror in CR, then sink and toilet and shower room. Oh, okay. Shower room is very small. Small ang shower room. Okay. That's my room tour. And I hope you like my room. Since it's my first solo travel alone. See you next fun kasi later I'm going to find a place to eat my dinner. Bye, see you. Going to sa top, magpa-picture tayo doon. And dito na naman ako sa Cabugao Gamay. Bye. Going to up and down. Okay, let's go upstairs. Last stop, Pulo Pandan. Hey guys, I'm here at Niagao Church. It's my first time solo travel from Iloilo City to Muhon, then Yagao Church. Look at that. Ang ganda ng church. Super. Oh, I'm super happy na nakaabot ako dito. Let's go inside. Let's visit inside. Oh my God. So pretty talaga. Can't expect this one. Let's go inside. Ah. Oh my God. It's bell. Yung bell. Wow, super. Uy, speechless ako nakapunta dito. Then, here's Mama Mary. And let's go inside. Church. Let's mag-ano tayo ng candle. For my house, family, and work. We're inside in Yagao Church, and look at this. Ganda ng church nila. It's so very intricate. Ganda ng puwit kung pwede kasal ka dito po. Basta speechless ako. So happy I came here. I'm so happy. Go outside and let's see sa mga surroundings niya. Okay guys, I'm going to my next destinations. I don't know where I am going now, and by Yagao Church. Ang ganda dito. It's called UNESCO Heritage. Ang church na ito, one of the UNESCO Heritage, and I'm so happy na nakaabot ako dito by commute. As lang ng as hanggang makarating ka. That's all. So fun. Hi guys, it's my another stopover is Gimbal Church. Hi. It's a Gimbal Church. This one is a Gimbal. So the church is not open, and this is Gimbal Church. Here, look at this. I am here at Gimbal, and the other one is the Gimbal Plaza. Gimbal Town Plaza. So, malapit lang ito sa 15 minutes away from Miagao Church. If you follow the maps. So, second destination is Gimbal Church and Gimbal Town Plaza. And let's go to the White Lady something over there. Hi guys! Another stop na naman is Tigbuan Church. So here it is, Tigbuan Church. Actually is nadaanan ko lang ito, then nag-stop over ako kasi may nakita akong church. So that's why I stop over and see that's a church. Another church na naman, hunting church. Today is hunting for church. Kasi ganda nito, parang American church style something. Ay, ewan ko, basta kayo na ba mag-research regarding sa Tigbuan Church? So happy. Then the other one is ganda sana kaso it's under constructions. That's why. So today, let's roam around the area. Let's see what we can see. Say bye. Hi guys, it's me. So, andito naman tayo sa malapit sa church. And this church na tawag nito Tigbuan Church is built in 1575 in Latin American pictures. Yan ang nasa research na nakita ko, but the rest is I don't know, but this one is maganda and very old na church na ito. Then parang nasira ito nung may earthquake, then kinonstruct again, pero not all church is kinonstruct. Some part lang na yung na-distract sa earthquake. So, this is Tigbuan Church. Ganda, no? Tigbuan Church. So, since nasabi ko kanina is na stop over ko lang ito from Gimbal. So, this one is, I think, mas a visit ito kasi if Sunday mag-visit ka, siguro open itong mga churches. Pero this is weekday, so that's why siguro hindi open ang church nila. Pero sayang, hanggang dito lang tayo sa labas. And let's go to my another tour to my another tour, pero hindi alam pa kung saan papunta. It's depends on saan, anong sakay, kung saan ang tawag niyan, hindi ko na alam, ang hirap pala mag-Tagalog. Basta punta na lang, uwi na tayo, pabalik na tayo ng city hanggang meron tayong madaanan na kahit na papuntang or madaanan ng mga churches. And see you later. Bye. Hi guys, I'm here na naman sa Molo Mansion. It's so nice. Molo Mansion. Wow, inside in Molo Mansion. Wow. Inside in Molo Mansion. Ganda ng barong Tagalog. Souvenirs. It's inside the mansion. T-shirts. T-shirts. Mga bags. Ito. Here it is. T-shirts. Oh, yung t-shirts dito. Ito. Hello.
Pasalubong daw, pasalubong. Saan siya pupunta? Pasalubong kanino?
T-shirts. Guys, then buying pasalubong. Buy na tayo sa mansion, Molo Mansion. We're going home and going tayo sa Molo Church, sa harap lang ng Molo Mansion. See ya! Bye! Hey guys! It's Molo Church. It's closed for today kasi weekdays. This is Molo Church. And I'm back to my another stopover sa harap lang ng Molo Mansion. At this is Saint Anne Parish. It's called Molo Church here in Iloilo. So ang ganda oh. It's Molo Church. And this one is Molo Plaza. So my side is this one. So I'm tired, so kailangan kong mag-upo muna. So tired of my many stopover. Tired of my many stopover at init. Woo! Pero worth it. Pag solo and DIY travel. So next stop, I don't know where I am going, but let's see where my foot goes. So see you next my vlog. Bye. Strawberry milk, strawberry fruit milk. Sarap! Strawberry fruit milk. destination pala. There's no... Let's go inside. So... I'm here. It's so pretty. Okay, walking in a festive walk. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Right, guys, ang ganda. Picture dito. Picture muna ako. Ang ganda. Bye. Sa wakas, nakapa-picture din. Ang ganda niya. I'm so happy. Let's walk around. Let's walk around. Festive. Hi, sweetness. Maraming mga foods. Maraming mga food store dito. Hanap tayo ng maupuan. Okay. Wow, mga food store. May meals dito. Hanap tayo ng ibang mga foods. Wala na. So, kain na lang tayo dito ng rice. Mayroon pang foods. Natin na dito. Okay. Garlic, Russia. Order tayo na foods. Hey guys, let's eat for our dinner. Wow, mango shake. Hello. May bata dito. Look at this one. Hirap. Baliktad ko muna. Let's eat. Mag-eat tayo dito sa festive walk.
Yan nga pagpirahan. Mayo. Ay, yan yung pagpirahan. Yan yung pagpirahan mo nila. Sige pa, ha?
Sarap niya. Ay, sarap. Let's eat.
May kinasate.
Yeah. Cheers.
Kasi makita tayo dyan.
Kain muna tayo.
Hi guys, good afternoon. I'm here at my room and it's the end of my liwaliw in this city. So today I get so many places na napuntahan, like Yag-Ao, Tigbuan, Gimbal. There, let's see. First is Yag-Ao. Second is Gimbal Church. Third is Tigbuan. Fourth is next Festive. Punta ako ng Festive. Tapos balik din naman ako ng SM kasi gusto kong pumunta ng Esplanade. Hindi pala siya Esplanade. Mali pala yun. Esplanade pala ang pagtawag doon. And tapos ng Esplanade, kaso hanggang doon lang ako sa parang walkway nila kasi ako na pumunta sa unahan kasi it's so malayo and nag-iba ang isip ko. Gusto ko na lang pumunta pabalik doon sa Festive Walk kasi hindi ko pa yun napuntahan. Yung sa Festive Mall lang pala yung napuntahan ko. May nakita kasi ako while sumakay na ng modernized bus or van. I don't think anong tawag doon. Basta modernized tawag doon. And then it's easy lang pala magsakay ng another route, ganon, pasakay-sakay lang ako hanggang na alam ko na yung pasikot-sikot. So basta yan ang makatulong sa iyo sa mga ganitong mga lakwatsa kung saan punta dito, kung saan punta doon. At saka best friend ko si Google Map. So I want to go to SM City, so I have to para hindi ako mawala. So I have to use a Google Map aside from asking to people. So madali lang kasi sabi na yung mga nakasama ko doon sa isang tour. Sabi niya, ask ka lang ng ask na madali lang yun kapag makapunta ka na doon. So, yun, ang ginawa ko, ask ng ask. At saka, Google Map. So, and today, it's already 8 something. Ngayon pa lang ako tumating. And nakabihis na, dyan. Then, tomorrow is another day, and the last day, and going home. Bye! See you tomorrow. We're going to Bizcocho House and buy pasalubong. Let's go. Here, Bizcocho House. I'm here. What's the difference? Okay guys, andito naman ako sa Kampanaryong ng Haro. So, this one, that's the Campanaryo Haro. And so, this is Hi everyone, and I'm here at Campanaryo ng Haro. It's 9 o'clock p.m. and I'm waiting for someone to reply me. Okay guys, let's go inside the church. And that's Haro Campanaryo. Let's let's go inside. Let's visit the church. This is the church ng Harrow. And open siya, kaso is not for visitors ang inside. So, menu. Then, for my Harrow Church hunting, and ito pala yung story sa Harrow. It was built in 1874. So, sa 70s pa pala ito na built. So, let's see. And the other side, harap lang ng church is ang Campanero Harrow. So, and let's go to the other side. You can see the inside of church. It's the inside of church. So, it's temporary closed muna ang church, pero open siya. Hindi lang mapasukan. It's the church. It's the church. And let's go to another destination. And this is my last trip, and I'm back to home na. And that's the end of my vlog here in Harrow Cathedral and Harrow Campanero. Bye everyone, thanks.